Clickbank affiliate marketing with free traffic. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can get started with affiliate marketing on Clickbank itself. For this, you don't need to spend any money if you don't want to, and this is going to be relatively easy compared to other methods such as running ads and other stuff. So what I'm going to do right now is simply get you to look over my shoulder into how I sell products from Clickbank without spending any money with free traffic. Let's get into that. So here we are on the Clickbank marketplace. So of course you always want to go here first. Then you want to go to categories and you want to find a product. Now right away what I want to tell you guys is that don't randomly choose a product. Make sure that it's selling and make sure that you have some affiliation with the product itself. If you're not interested in business at all, don't bother getting into business products. If you're not interested in health or in anything, right, don't start promoting it. That's my advice. I do know some people that are like, nah, just sell whatever you can sell and that's it. However, I like to go with stuff that I actually like myself because I do understand what the audience wants and I just enjoy promoting it. So what I could do is simply go to, let's say I'm interested in health and fitness. I click there. Next up, I'm going to search for gravity, of course, to find the best selling products. And then I'll find all of these products right there. So you can see what they're about and you can see their name. Now the next step would be to simply click on it and find out if it is something that you would like to promote. So this is called Steel by Pro. If I scroll down, I can see what this is about. Now let's say that I want to start selling this. What I could do, and what I'll show you in a bit, is that I can use free SEO traffic from YouTube to sell this and make a lot of money every single day passively, and I'll explain why. So first of all, step number one, find a product that you want to promote, make sure that it's a good product and make sure that you're interested and have some affiliation with it. Now Steel by Pro is going to earn me $106 on average per sale. That's not too bad. It's actually really good, because if I can sell like between like 2 and 5 of them per day, I'm gonna have a very good income actually. So what you need to do, step number one, find a product. Step number two is open up a YouTube window. Next up, what I would like to do is simply show you a very easy way to start selling this. So if you type in your product name, and in this case that's Steel Bite, but it could be anything, you'll see the search predictions. Now this means that people are actually searching for this, and in this case it's Steel by Pro review. Now if I click on it, I'll find people that are doing this method that I'm teaching you guys right now. If I scroll down, I'll see and I'll show you a lot of videos from channels that are doing this. This channel right there, definitely doing this. This channel right there, definitely doing it. This one right there, 100%. This channel right there, unbiased reviews launch. This is going to be a great example of a channel that's doing what I'm showing right now. So what I would like to do is simply show you the links that they're using and prove that they're actually using Clickbank to sell these products. So as you guys can see right there, the video title is Steel by Pro review. So what this guy is doing is that he's simply reviewing Steel by Pro. So if I click on this link, that's going to be his own affiliate link. As you can see right there, affiliate. That means that, I mean, in this case, he's using Digistore 24 instead of Clickbank, but it works exactly the same. So what he's doing is that he found a product and he's simply creating a review video. Now these are just his own thoughts and you can do the exact same thing. You don't even have to be on camera like this guy. What you could do is simply download OBS Studio, which is the software that I'm using right now to record this. You can get that by simply going to OBS project, and then if you click right there, you can choose your software, like the PC laptop that you're using, and then install it. And what you can do is simply record your screen. Now what you can do next is go to this review page and simply go over the benefits of a product and just explain what the audience will get from this. That's honestly one of the best ways to do this. Now the channel that I was showing you guys is the Unbiased Reviews channel, and this guy is doing this all the time with all sorts of products. Now you can see that all of this is going to be search traffic because the channel is about all sorts of products. So people that are watching this might subscribe to the channel, but chances of them being interested in this product too are not that big. So you can see that if I go to most popular, you'll see that he's got all of these review videos, Metacore review, proven review. So if we do some math on these videos, let's say that on average per sale, he's making about 50 bucks, right? You can see that he has 8,100 views. If you can get only 1% to buy, that would still be 81 people times 50 bucks per sale. So this video could then make $4,000 with just one single video. I know these are estimates because you never know exactly how many people are actually going to buy it. However, the people are already interested in the product because they're searching for the exact product name. And you can do this with every single product on Clickbank, and this is going to be huge. If you start making these videos, if you start putting out the videos on a regular basis, you're going to have a ton of videos that are producing passive income because these videos are ranking on YouTube search. For example, if I would search for this one right there, proven review, if that's how you pronounce it, I'll probably find that guy just like that, and other people as well. So this person is doing it, and then if I scroll down, this right, Jono Armstrong is doing it. This is one of the biggest guys in the game as of right now who's actually doing this. You can see FOMO review, Fame Payday review, 10x commission review. So he keeps doing this all the time and it's working great. You can see that he just has a ton of views. He has a decent sized audience that he can sell these products to, and honestly, it's one of the best ways to make money with Clickbank and free traffic as of right now. The reason why is because you're not promoting products to people that aren't even interested in that product. These people that you're reaching are already searching for the product review, which is great because you know they're interested in it already. So as you can see right there, this guy, the perfect example for this, and that's honestly what I do and what I start doing if I were you. So to round this up, guys, simply go to Clickbank, start finding products, download a software, or simply use your own face, use your face cam if you don't mind doing that. It's going to be better for the conversion rate because it adds a more personal touch. But like these channels and people are doing, simply create a review video about the product. And the good part is that you can do this with every single product. So let's say that this video about SteelBite isn't going to get you views, it's not going to get you sales. You simply hop on to the next product and make another review video. And you can keep doing that over and over again on a separate channel, or just one channel, my bad, just on one channel. And you can see, add the link in the description, and boom, you're going to drive traffic and you're going to get sales. This is the method that I use myself to do affiliate marketing. If you would like to see more about this, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video, and then I'll see you, subscribe to the channel, let me know in the comments, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.